Okay, level 3. Level 3 is only if you find this easy and you really want to try the advanced chords, which is A, D, E. Okay, to do this, we're going to play an A, which is A, C sharp, E, like this. 3 fingers, A, C sharp, E. Play like this, copy my fingers on the right hand, and keep the shape, okay? Play it, lift, play it, lift, play it, lift. Try to even rotate like I'm doing. Rotate, put it back. Okay, rotate, or move it away, put it back. Oops, move it to the left, put it back. I'm too busy watching the screen instead of my own hands. Okay, you get it. 10 times. So you're like a legend at that. Okay, now we switch to D. D is still A, but this one goes to D here, and this one goes to F sharp. Okay, so it's A, D, F sharp. You need to practice that 10 times. Lift, move, move, up, over, till infinity. All right? Then practice going from A to E 10 times. A, E. Pause the video now, please, and do this important step. You will not get anywhere unless you pause the video and practice like I'm telling you. 10 reps, okay? Now, once you've done the final one, here comes E. E goes G sharp, B, E. G sharp, B, E. And I would use these fingers if I were you. Move your wrist in, because if not, you won't be able to reach that. You'll be like, ugh, wrist into the piano. Okay? Practice that 10 times on its own. Okay? Okay? And then practice going from the D to the E. Watch me do it slowly. Practice that 10 times minimum. That's the hardest one you have to do. And then from there, pause it and practice going back to the D, back to the A. So the whole thing will look like this. Double A, double D, E, D, A. Ready? A. After 4, you play it again. Okay, and you're going to go to D. Play that twice. Now go to E, only once. D, only once. And then A twice. Okay? Stop the video, practice heaps, you know what you need to do.